Sinangita tumaba na basa ito mga asawa. Gawas na. Daghan. Masa maigo mo diri nga kon, ibabalik tas kalsada o gumigo. Kasi daghan na kayo mo, namalis kalsada. Para kanto kalsada. Bonit mo na yung mga Tagalupon mamas. Wala na nabiling sa kongregasyon mga mamas dito. Burot mo tanan na nayo. Ano? Napali nabiling na yun. Isa may nagkuriyaan eh. Ikaw? Si? Si Venus. Mo rin nagkuriyaan si Venus mo. Sige. Unsa man ninyo dininom na niyo? Na-practice mo? Kasi nagtuo ko nga mag-rewind pa ko. Wala ko i-rewind na, taas pa kayo na itong program, daw pa kadangaw. Hindi mo human ito gabi eh. Okay, unsa man yung game mong practice aning sayaw? Sayaw ninyo.
Each day has its own anxiety.
Sa Bisaya, para makasabot ng uban na, pareha na ako di kabalo may English. Di kabala ka. Ay kabala king ugma, yan taga na ra. Pero okay ra gid mo.
Okay ra.
Inyo mga bana, nangit mo? Sugot sila? Mga bana, naran yung mga asawa, tanawan ninyo na inyong palabas. Ako tanaw na to, ang Tagalupon, mamas, ay lang sayaw, ay kabala kiyang ugma.
Know about the paradise under God's kingdom, and I believe with all my heart the better days will come. But sometimes in this life for me, it's hard to see the things unseen, to feel the love I know is there when my heart is in despair. But I know Jehovah's near. So say a prayer from the heart. When worries overtake my mind, all the strength I can rely. And I know He's there. His words of comfort and true friends who really care. Yes, each day has its own anxiety. So I take one day at a time, leave tomorrow till tomorrow. Peace is what I find, one day at a time. I've said, my friend, you know that I care. Focus on the chosen life, not the burdens that we bear. Think about what God has done, show His love, He gave His Son. So never doubt, keep trusting Him. He gave His best so we could live. So don't give up to say prayer from the heart. The words overtake our mind, all the strength we can rely. And I
Salamat. Tagal